In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll down to access passwords and accounts. Then this gear next to Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, to add any password, hit Add Password in Passwords section and input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or tap on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!